Good. Can you confirm whether or not you guys are actively working distress number 70892, please?
So the mission control centers are important in that they operate ground stations in various regions around the world. And these mission control centers are operated by various governments. They're connected nodally. So what that means is the mission control center in Canada and the US talk to each other, the one in Russia, the one in France, in Australia. So all these countries are linked through a nodal network, a lot like the internet.
The beacon signal from space comes down to one of the ground stations. The ground station will see that signal. It will then do some basic processing, get that location along with a confidence factor, for example, and then all of that data is transferred over to what we call an MCC.
A mission control center is where the data from the local user terminals is geographically sorted, and it provides the distribution of the SARSAT alerts to the rescue coordination centers. Also, the mission control center matches registration information with a hex ID to a beacon. So the relationship between an MCC and an RCC is a very valuable link, because the MCC feeds the information to the RCC, and the RCC is able to coordinate the search and rescue and get the individuals out of harm's way.
We monitor the comms and the distribution of the data that comes into the USMCC and make sure that it is successfully delivered to our RCCs and MCCs and SPOCs, so they can receive data and go on to their mission to search and rescue. The USMCC system is set up by GeoSort system, and that's programmed into our particular database. So once we receive a distress, then basically that distress goes out to that particular region. We're all about location here. You want to make sure that the response to the distress is handled in a very quick way.
When we receive a distress alert, we compare the results with other MCCs. All the signals from distress alert through the MEOLAT to coming with accuracy. When we had the incident with the Egyptian Airlines, we received the CLT distress alert. It was very accurate at that time.
Since the ground receiving station of SARSAT in China was put into operation in January 26, 1998, the system had provided timely and accurate alerting service for ships and aircraft navigating within the CNMCC service area. By end of 2015, China SARSAT system has accurately received 239 real distress alerts in CNMCC service area, which involved 3,713 people in distress.
So the term SPOC stands for SAR point of contact, which is search and rescue point of contact. Not every country in the world is a member of SARSAT.
In Sweden we get our signal from the Norwegian MCC. We have no MCC by our own. We have a SPOC, which are the designated contact in our country, which receive the SARSAT signal from the MCC. And our SPOC is also combined by our Joint Rescue Coordination Center, which also handles the message from the Norwegian MCC and also conduct a search and rescue mission.
The staff is very happy in each rescue. We usually put the number of people who is saved thanks to the SARSAT providing alerts from the Spanish MCC. The Cospas cases is when the first alert or the unique alert comes from the Cospas to save these people. Nowadays, from our start in the Cospas in 1993, Spain has participated in the saving of 1,060 persons and 353 incidents, only using the first alert of the Cospas.